You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 19/46. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all x terms on the left side of the equation. Add 40x to both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 24 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by 46. Simplify the fraction. And so the final result is x equals 19/46.